Hello, welcome to our fifth video, and one of the most important thing which we struggle is our habits. We want to change our habits, we don't know how to change. We know we have bad habits, we don't know why we can't change, right? Let us understand and decode how can we change the habits. Okay, so we will start with first important fact that all our patterns, हमें जो भी आदतें होती हैं, habits is what? Our आदत, right? If you want to eat Maggie at a given time every day, daily you will crave कि अच्छा 6 बज गए मैगी खाना है, right? If you watch TV at a particular time, you will daily think of oh I need to watch TV or I need to watch the video. So why we have these patterns and how does it build? उसके लिए you need to understand that our pineal gland is storing all our patterns, but it doesn't understand the difference between good and bad habits. So to understand more how your patterns are formed, no matter good or bad, I want you to go back and we are tagging a video. Please watch our video, Are You Struggling with Habits? But once you understand how these patterns are formed and you know that you need to change, we will come at the second part this time, that how to change these habits, how to make good habits and how to break bad habits. Okay? So one thing is we need to understand कि ये patterns बन चुके हैं and we need a conscious choice that we want to break them. One thing is that conscious choice that you really want to make this habit and break that bad habit, right? Now, how to actually do it? You are not exercising, you know that, but you want to exercise. So what will you do? You will go for a gym. कि अच्छा ठीक है कल से मैं रोज 1 घंटा जिम जाऊंगा, मैं योगा करूंगी या whatever it can be, right? Now we need to understand the number one aspect when you are making a habit, a new habit. You should not place it on 1 hour because there is already a resistance from the body. So I request you, whatever habit you want to build, start with 1 or 2 minutes. Start with 1 or 2 minutes of habit. अभी आप बोलेंगे हर habit में 1 or 2 minutes कैसे हो सकता? You want to start reading, rather than putting 15 minutes, start reading 1 page. If you want to do exercise and you're not doing it, start spot jogging for 1 minute. Start spot कि खड़े खड़े कोई एक्सरसाइज करनी है, 1 मिनट के लिए अपनी चेयर से उठ के ये करना है. If you want to build the habit of drinking water, start with 1 time कि ओके उठते ही 1 गिलास पानी पीना. Don't start कि आज ही 4 लीटर पीना. So one thing we need to learn is we need to break our goals. So start with 1 and 2 minutes of habits. Any habit you want to build, start with 1 or 2 minutes. Body will resist less. Now second, very important concept, you need to sandwich this habit between already existing habits. You need to sandwich this new habit between 2 already existing habits. For example, you wake up and you know that you will eat your breakfast. ठीक है, मान लो ये है आपका, तो you need to sandwich your habit in between कि breakfast से पहले 1 गिलास पानी पीना है. So that is how, नहीं मैं breakfast शुरू ही तब करूंगा जब मैंने 1 गिलास पानी पी लिया. And at that moment you need to make a conscious choice कि okay, I have sandwiched कि मैं बीच में पानी पीऊंगा, this is my water drinking habit, या फिर I jog 1 minute and then have my breakfast, या फिर I brush my teeth and then have my breakfast. So club it between the 2 existing habits जो back to back आप करते हो. For example, you come from office and sit for TV, but you want to आते you want to wash your hands and face. So you need to see कि I'll switch on the TV only once I wash my face and hands. So that is how we sandwich the new habit between 2 existing habits. This thing I have learned from the book Atomic Habits. Amazing book if you want to read in detail how it works. Okay, now चलो मान लो हमने ये सब कर लिया, but there is again resistance, हमने नहीं, I missed it. The temptation was too much to not do it, you know that you missed your habit. क्या कर लिया हमने? Miss कर लिया. Now what we'll do? We will label ourselves. I'm so lazy. I can't do 1 minute of exercise. I didn't drink water again. I can't even focus on one glass of water. We tag ourselves lazy, you know, inconsistent. Does that help you to build that habit? No, right? I guess no. It doesn't help me for sure. So what to do? And we need to maintain a habit charter. मार्केट में आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे टूल्स मिल जाएंगे, हैबिट ट्रैकर, हैबिट चार्टर, जहाँ पे पूरे मंथ की डेट्स होती हैं एंड डेज होते हैं. You can write which habit you want to build or break, and then you have to tick and cross them every now and then, every day basically. So that is one thing you need to buy, habit charter or habit tracker. Okay, but before you buy this, make a list, start it. Do not expect that you tick it every day. कि अरे 10 हैबिट्स हैं, मैं तो सारी की सारी रोज कर रही हूँ. If that is the case, it will not be in your habit charter. No, that is already your schedule. So you need to mention things which you are working on, which you really want to build. So वो list में होगा. There are days when you miss this, you miss that, but बाकी 4 कर दिए, ये 2 कर दिए, बाकी 3 नहीं किए. Okay? So this is how we maintain our habit charter. Now, अगर ये कंसिस्टेंटली चलता रहा तो ऐसे तो क्या होगा, इससे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट यू माइट बी थिंकिंग, बट इससे होगा. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वन मोर कॉन्सेप्ट. ओल्ड डेज में हमें बोलते थे 21 डेज अगर लगातार कुछ कर लिया तो इट्स यू विल लर्न, इट विल बिकम योर हैबिट. देन देयर केम अ डे कि 40 डेज कर लो. देन देयर वाज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ 66 days. But according to today's distraction of social media, of mobile, of too much fast life, that duration has increased to 283 days. That is equal to 10 months. So I request you कि do not lose up on these habits. अगर 1 month में वो habit नहीं बना है, I want you to continue it for 10 months. And I guarantee you, you will absorb that habit. The pattern will break and you will form a new pattern if you continue it for 10 months. So that is how we can make new habits and break the old ones. Remember, few key steps, 1 or 2 minutes of habit. We need to sandwich it between the existing habits. We don't need to label ourselves because it doesn't help, and we need to maintain our habit charter to stay motivated, and it might take up to 10 months to build a habit. So be kind, be compassionate with yourself. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.